A cameraman at the scene during clashes between gunmen and security forces caught the moment of the blast. Police say they believe several lawmakers were staying at that hotel. A local radio station is reporting that the militant group Al-Shabaab was behind the attack. Well, let's get the latest now from Hussein Mohammed in Mogadishu, who joins us now live on the phone. Hi, Hussein. Can you tell us if this attack has it finished, or are police still engaged in these clashes?
Thank you very much. Gunfire and grenade explosions have been heard after Al-Shabaab gunmen have stormed by a hotel which is popular with government officials. The hotel located near both the country's parliament building and the interior ministries. So initial reports are saying many casualties are coming from the scene. It is too early to know the exact casualties from today's terrorist attack on their hotel. But local media are reporting that at least 12 people have been killed and 30 others wounded. The wounded people among two senior photographers working with the Associated Press and Associated French Press.
Can you tell us more about this hotel itself? We're hearing that certain lawmakers may have been staying there. Can we infer from that they could have been the target of this attack?
Local media is reporting that new parliament members were at the hotel when the attack started. So many casualties is expected from the attack. Al-Shabaab Radio Andalus is reporting that several new Somali parliament members are among the dead and wounded people in the attack.
Okay, Hussein Mohammed. We'll leave it there for now. Thank you so much for that live from Mogadishu.